Let us discuss the fourth problem. An object 5.0 centimeters length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. So, what are the given quantities? Let us write. First of all, object length is given. So, HY is equal to 5 centimeters. Next, object distance is given. U is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Here convex mirror is there, so object distance is negative. And radius of curvature is given. It is positive value. So R is equal to 30 centimeters. So from this we have to find the focal length. F is equal to R by 2. That is equal to 30 by 2, 15 centimeters. So we get F is equal to 15 centimeters. Now to find the position of image, we have to use mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So to find the image distance, 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F means 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 20. That's equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Let us find the LCM for 15 and 20. So 5 3s are 5 4s are. So 5 into 3 into 4 we get 60. So 60 is LCM. 15 4s are 4 1s are 4. 23s are 3 1s are 3. So that's equal to 7 by 60. Therefore V is equal to 60 by 7. So this is the image distance. To find the size of image and the nature of the image, we have to find the magnification. So magnification M is equal to HI by HO, that's equal to minus V by U. We have to substitute the values. HI by object size is 5 centimeters, that's equal to minus, we get the image size 60 by 7 by object distance is minus 20 centimeters. Now minus minus becomes cancelled. Now HI is equal to 60 by 7 into 5 by 20. Cancelling 21 ja, 23 ja, we get 15 by 7. That's equal to 2.1 centimeters. In this, object size is 5 centimeters, image size is 2.1 centimeters. That is, image is a diminished image, small image, and here image height is positive value. That means it is virtual and erect. So we get a virtual, erect and diminished image at a distance of 8.5 centimeters from the mirror.